Good afternoon, welcome to Delta Airlines Flight 4631, non-stop service to New York JFK, John F. Kennedy Airport. My name is David. A couple of reminders. Look forward to taking care of you today. Our departure time is going to be 5:09. So we should be boarding in about 20 to 25 minutes. We'd like to thank our customers for ranking Delta #1 in customer satisfaction among airlines in the JD Power 2021 North American Airline Satisfaction Study. Delta proud to Thank you.
Welcome to Delta Flight 4631 with service to JFK's Kennedy Airport. My name is Jeff, one of your flight attendants on today's flight. Working with me in the cabin is Amanda, and it's our pleasure to take care of you. Nothing is more important to Delta and our partners than the safety of our customers and crew, which is why we've set a new standard of cleanliness, including sanitizing our aircraft with high-grade disinfectant, wiping down all surfaces prior to boarding on each flight for you, and using advanced air filtration systems. In addition, we're wearing masks to ensure we're all protected, and we appreciate you wearing yours as well, both over your nose and your mouth throughout today's flight, even while sleeping. Before we depart, please direct your attention to the flight attendants for a brief demonstration of the safety features of our CRJ-900 aircraft.
Your seatbelt must be securely fastened at this time. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle. Tighten by pulling on the strap so it is low and tight across your lap. To release the belt, lift the top of the buckle. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. Even if the sign is off, keep your seatbelt fastened in case we experience unexpected rough air. Federal regulations require all passengers to comply with crew instructions, posted placards, and lighted information signs. Smoking, the use of e-cigarettes, or any smokeless product, including chewing tobacco, is not allowed on any Delta Connection flight. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying restroom smoke detectors. This aircraft has 2 forward doors, 1 on each side, and 4 window exits over the wings. All exits are clearly marked with exit signs and instructions for operation. In an emergency, lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit. Please locate the exits nearest you and keep in mind they may be behind you. In the event of an evacuation, leave all carry-on items behind. It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, the panels inside the lavatory and above your seat will open, revealing oxygen masks. If this happens, reach up and pull a mask toward you until the tube is fully extended. If you are wearing a mask or face covering, remove it before placing the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Flip the elastic strap over your head and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note that oxygen is flowing even if the bag does not inflate. Secure your own mask before helping others. If needed, life vests are located under your seat. To use, remove the vest from its container by pulling on the tab, and then open the pouch. Pull the vest over your head. Fasten the strap to the front of the vest, and pull on the strap to adjust the vest securely around your waist. When you exit the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab at the bottom of the vest, or manually inflate by blowing into the tube at shoulder level. A water-activated light is attached to each vest. Seat cushions can also be used for flotation. Instructions for operation are outlined on the safety information card in your seat pocket. Refer to the safety information card for instructions on how to use the life vest for children who weigh less than 35 pounds. If necessary, we'll distribute life vests for in-lap children. Before we take off, Be sure seat backs are upright, tray tables and carry-on items are stowed, windows...
Ladies and gentlemen, from the flight deck, looks like we're number 2 for takeoff. Lieutenants, please put the gun for departure.